the LCM of 4, 8, and 16. Okay, so the previous method was to check its multiples. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, and then 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4, and the last we need to get 1s at the end, and 2 1s are 2. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 8 2s are 16. So the LCM is 16. This was the previous method, right? Now, what is the 5-second one? That is, you have to choose the biggest number. Okay? Biggest number among 3. ठीक है? अब हमने यहाँ देखा कि इसमें सबसे बड़ा biggest number क्या है? 16. The largest number is 16. Now we have to check, does 16 comes in the table of 4? And does it come in the table of 8? Yes or no? Okay? So we know that 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. And 8 multiplied by 2 is 16, which means 16 comes in the table of 8 and also in the table of 4. यानी कि 16 टेबल ऑफ 4 में भी आता है और टेबल ऑफ 8 में भी आता है, तो 4 और 8 इसके मल्टीपल्स हुए, तो आपका स्ट्रेट अवे एलसीएम हो गया 16. तो ऐसे ही मैं आपको एक और एग्जांपल दूंगी, ठीक है, एंड होप यू फाइंड इट यूजफुल. सो see you in the next video. Subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss the new videos, and stay tuned for more quick tricks in maths.